Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the network and device basics so the fix works. Check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and as close to the router as possible. This reduces latency and packet loss. Once done, quit streaming apps and background downloads on both devices to free bandwidth and restart your router and devices to clear cached network issues. Make sure to prefer the 5 GHz band for higher throughput, or use an Ethernet connection for the receiving device when available. Next, adjust mirroring and router settings to reduce processing and congestion. Lower the resolution or frame rate in your screen mirroring, so encoding and decoding use less CPU and network bandwidth. This often fixes stutter. Then log into your router and enable quality of service, prioritizing the device that receives the mirror. That shapes traffic and reduces jitter. If interference persists, change the Wi-Fi channel or move the devices to a less crowded 5 GHz channel. And consider a separate. To finish, confirm the changes with a controlled test and keep a quick fix in mind. Connect the receiver via Ethernet or try a different sending device to isolate whether the issue is the network or the original device. This tells you what to replace or adjust. Make sure firmware, drivers, and the mirroring app are updated, because manufacturers fix latency bugs frequently. If you still notice lag, reboot the router fully. Disable advanced features like beamforming temporarily, and retest to narrow down the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.